Hi, this is Six String Steve. Welcome to my channel. We had a wonderful Christmas in Lake Havasu City, and here's some video footage of that coming up. Also did the Christmas lights video there down at the London Bridge in Havasu City, and you can check that out. I've got the link down below in the description, but I just thought I'd show in this video our trip up to Lake Havasu City and a little bit of extra footage as well after that. It starts off back in Quartzsite. And a rainy night. Clouds are clearing away now. Still pretty breezy. Gonna go dump and fill our water. Then we're gonna head to Lake Havasu City to check out the London Bridge Christmas festivities. Christmas Eve 2021. It's a very scenic drive from Parker, Arizona, which is just north of Quartzsite. From Parker, Arizona to Lake Havasu City is spectacular. So I suggest if you've never been down there before, definitely check it out. There was rain moving into Lake Havasu City just off to the north from where we were at this location. Looks like parts of Arizona are getting some pretty good moisture right now. We had rain pretty much through the night, the whole night, and a little breezy out in Quartzsite. Now we're up in Lake Havasu City, where we just got a little rain shower. Not expecting a whole lot of rain, but we'll probably get some showers off and on through the evening. This is Christmas Eve. So not bad at all for Christmas time weather. 66 degrees right now in Lake Havasu City. Havasu City now, and here is the rain. Knew it was gonna probably happen. Gonna probably go by pretty quick, but yeah, getting some more rain, which is fine, keeps the dust down.